Good morning, folks, from the Smoky Mountains. That's right. There's Allen Mountain. There's Pickens Nose. And there's a bird at the bird feeder. And it's raining today, so we're not beginning. We won't be going into the bees today at all. The birds are coming along. It's just kind of fun to watch them out here in the morning, flying back and forth. Oh look, there's a cardinal down in there. There she goes. Looks like I need to wash my window. Hope y'all enjoyed this. I just got up, looked out the window and said, well, it's pretty out there.